Someone play that. Holy shit.
I have throat cancer. I always think I'm getting UTIs like a mother.
Really? You never put your fries in the Frosty?
The favorite fucking one of the fucking people!
Yo! I'm stuck. Me too, dude.
Money.
No. Hello. How are you? We love you so much. Oh my god.
It's not just coming out of the mouth.
Oh my god.
Stood up earlier and it just.
You're scaring the
Fake bitches on my.
damn girl.
I feel like I'm the best. There's a price to pay for feeling you up.
It's stuck. What's up? Yes, I just go live because
You guys want me to?
Do you know how to inhale? Yeah, it's literally. Sometimes I get stuck though. It's kind of hard. Hold on. Wait, it's Kevin. I almost said Ryan.
Kevin.
What's a funny story of someone hitting on you and burping? Oh, it's stuck.
Hey. D. E, F, G, H, I.
You're welcome. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'll be back. Collection of the cup you got me, Brie, has grown. One of them broke, which I was super sad about, but now I had 7. Now I have 6.